What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PayPal security challenge. So first you need to go to the PayPal's website and then you need to log in with your PayPal account, and after that you just need to check your linked bank account or your linked credit card details, and you need to make sure that all the details are up to date, because sometimes when you link a card or your bank account, and due to some old documents, the bank account or your debit card or credit card linking details are not up to date. So just make sure that you have made them up to date and relevant. And after that, if it still doesn't work, you just need to make sure that you are using a good browser, because PayPal also recommends to use a good browser for better compatibility and smooth running. And if the problem still persists, you just close the PayPal tab and then reopen it in the new tab, and make sure that your internet connection is strong. And this is how you can fix the PayPal security challenge. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.